This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check that your client version exactly matches the private server version and gather the invite link and any password. Once done, back up current configs so you can revert if something breaks. Next, enable link handling or developer mode in the client settings so the link will be accepted. These first steps prevent version conflicts and lost data. Make sure to note the server's required plugins or mods before proceeding to the connection phase. You paste the invite link directly into the client's join or connect field and press enter. If the client requires a token or password, enter it exactly as given. Once the client attempts to connect, authenticate any pop-ups and accept requested firewall or port permissions so traffic can flow. If the server uses mods, install the exact mod versions the server reports. Mismatched mods will block you. After the handshake completes, watch the console or client logs for success messages. You finalize by confirming the client displays the correct server name and a connected status. Then sync any required settings and download missing assets the server requires. Test core functions like chat, movement, or file access to ensure full operation. If something goes wrong, immediately check the client logs for specific error codes, verify port forwarding or firewall rules, and recheck exact version and mod parity. These are the most common causes. If needed, roll back your backed up configs and retry with corrected settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.